Hello friends, so this is your friend Arun from LiveinGermany channel. So today I'm back again with Daily New guys. So for those who are seeing this format for the first time, just tilt your phone, keep it vertically and go full screen. So today I have news from four different topics. So let me go on quick. So the first topic I have is something from the Federal Employment Agency regarding the unemployment rise. So it has been reported that in June there has been an increase of 0.1% in the unemployment rate. So this has gone now to 6.2 percentage, so which is equal to almost 2.853 million people in Germany. So this is kind of a very good jump. I mean, very high jump, and a lot of people are still in short time, as well as the number of people getting benefit out of the Hartz 4, which is kind of for those who are been in unemployed for a long time. This is also in the peak right now, and what is not is the amount of people getting some kind of help from the government in the month of June in the working age is almost above 7%, so which is kind of not so positive. Although like a lot of sectors are coming up and booming, the employment in the month of June was not so good. So this was the data from the employment agency. I put the source in the comment for you guys to look. And the next news is actually regarding the Volkswagen. So Volkswagen has planned to stop its plan of putting a plant in Turkey. So they have initially planned to build something in Turkey so that they can create some 4,000 jobs in Western Turkey. But now they have closed it because of the lack of demand in worldwide. So this could be reflected in the next stage. Let us see how it proceeds. But they were not like people who are already working. This is like they had new plans for a factory and they just stopped it. The next information we have is something regarding largest drug, confiscation which has happened recently. Like 14 tons of synthetic drug has been captured in Italy. It might sound like how it is relevant to Germany, but still in Europe wide or worldwide, this is kind of the largest thing. So these drugs are like synthetic drugs manufactured in Syria. So like after this, all this war happened, the terrorist organizations like IS is using these drugs to finance their terrorist activities. So this drug called as captogen, if I'm right, is been also called as jihadist drugs. So this was like kind of the largest capture. So I wanted to tell you guys about this information. You can Google and see what is this drug about and how they use it for financing their bad activities at large. And the next thing is something from the meat industry of Germany. So we had like kind of very bad news saying like Tony's were become a hotspot of coronavirus, and other like one meat producing shop for like all these donor shops also had some hotspot. But there was a positive news initially before corona. So thing is, the German export meat growth has been like almost 14.8%. So this gave a revenue rise of also above 14 percentage, which came in like more than 15 or around 15 billion euros of revenue in the first quarter itself. So this was a very good peak. So Tony's themselves also had benefited out of it. For those who are wondering what is Tony's this guy is talking about, Tony's is a company where the coronavirus hotspots again started, and almost more than 1,200 people were infected. So there were like a lot of negative news, but the positive side was before all this started, the German meat industry was also growing because of high demand from China. So this is all the news for today, guys. I hope you like it. So please put in comment section and also like this video and like our Facebook page to show your support. I'll come again tomorrow with another interesting video. I just made it a bit more longer so that it's more clear what I speak and it's more slow. So if you find this okay, then let me know. If you want me to slow down more or you want me to quicken up, whatever it is, please put in your comment sections. So thank you and have a nice day, and bye bye.